Okay, first graders, today we are going to do some math that we've done lots of times before. The only difference is that we're going to be using these bigger numbers. Today we are going to be doing some story problems. So that means you need to have those detective eyes ready and listen carefully to the questions so you can find the clues you need to be able to answer them. You should always be looking for the numbers that you need to use and then paying attention to the key words that let you know if we're going to add or subtract. Now today we're just going to focus on addition, but it's important to be able to recognize those words still. Let's do a couple together, shall we? Okay, so here on number 1 it says, Aisha picks 60 blueberries to make a pie. Okay, so I found a clue. If I'm doing this on paper, I can circle it. If you are doing this on a computer and they tell you 60, then I would recommend writing it down or model it with your base 10 blocks. So Aisha picked 60 blueberries to make a pie. Then she picks 12 more to eat. Notice I circled another clue. How many blueberries does Aisha pick? So we have 60 and 12 more. You can choose which of the strategies we've been practicing to use to be able to find your answer. Okay, I'm going to model it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens for 60 plus 12 more. 10, 11, 12. I can then easily count the whole thing. I'm going to start with my tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72. 72 blueberries, and I can write about it. It says explain your reasoning, so I can say that 6 tens and 1 more 10 makes 7 tens. 2 ones left. Okay, so that is a quick explanation of what I did to be able to find my answer. Number 2. Yuri collects 21 cans for the school food drive. I see a clue. Leo collects 36 cans. How many cans do Yuri and Leo collect? When we say and, remember, that tells us that we are adding. So that's another clue to help us know how to solve this. I have 21 and or plus 36. 21, I see 2 tens and 1 1. 36, I see 3 tens and 6 ones. If I put my tens together, I have 5 tens. If I put my ones together, I have 7 ones. Okay, so now I'm using the using place value to add strategy that we've practiced. Okay, so I found that there were 57 cans collected, and I could explain that. I combined tens and ones to find 57. Okay, so there are a couple of example problems, and you will be working on these today. And remember to keep looking for those clues. so that you know you have the different pieces you need to find your sum. Good luck!